Hi, I'm Magda, and I'm a hobbyist photographer and Lensbaby ambassador. You can check out my photos on Instagram, our Everyday Captures. Today I'm here to share with you about my favorite Lensbaby lens, the Stolte 45. I use it when taking photos of my kids and for nature photography. If you're new to Lensbaby, the Stolte 45 is a standalone manual focus f3.5 lens that has a sweet spot of focus that you can shift and tilt just by moving it like that. You can also lock in the focus, just like that, and that focuses right in the middle. It's a great place to start when just learning the lens because it's the easiest to focus right in the middle. This was my first Lensbaby, and it's the first for a lot of people because it's fairly easy to learn how to use it, and that gets that really nice blur effect still, and that's a great place to start when you're just starting off with a manual focus lens. I love the small size and the versatility, and I can use it as a macro lens really quickly just by adding one of these macro filters right to the top. You screw right in. And now I'm going to show you a quick video of how I shoot with this lens. My daughter was relaxing on the couch watching some TV, and I thought it would be a great time to take some detailed shots of her. I love eyelashes on little kids, and her sitting still was the perfect time to take a photo like that. I used a +2 macro filter on the Lensbaby Stolte 45. The macro filters come in a set of 3, +1, +2, and +4. You can use them separately or stack them for more magnification. When taking photos of small flowers, for instance, I like to stack them all together. Here, I just wanted to use one for now. A tip when using a manual focus lens is to use focus peaking if you have a mirrorless camera, and if you don't, use live view and zoom into the area that you want in focus. I started with a shot from above and tilted the lens down to focus on her lashes, and I got a shot like this. My settings for all the photos I will be sharing from this session are shutter speed 1/160 and ISO 2000. The aperture is 3.5, but that's not something you can change with this lens. Then I went on to change my angle to get a profile shot of her face. I tilted the lens to the right to focus on her eye, and here was my final result. For even more magnification, I added a second macro filter, the +1, to get even closer. I'm able to get really close to her eye with the 2 filters stacked. I love how I'm just focusing on her eye and everything else has that dreamy blur, as you can see in this photo that I got. I tried the overhead shot again to see if I could capture anything else closer up, and I got this result. During the process, I like to show her the back of the camera because I find that she is then more willing to cooperate and it makes it more fun. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Lensbaby.